How to earn free gift on Temu. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Quick Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Temu app and make sure you have already logged into your account. Temu is an online shopping platform known for its incredible low prices and unbelievable deals like its free item giveaways. In this guide, I will walk you through everything you need to know about this online superstore, including the different ways you can earn free gifts. You can earn a free gift automatically by signing up as a new Temu user. Likewise, play in-app games like Fishland, Farmland, and Hat-Trick to earn free items. Check out the free items and giveaways page for freebies that don't require friend referrals. Head towards the You page. Here you're gonna find different options as Hat-Trick, Fishland, Farmland, Refer and Earn. Hit the Win for freebies to open up the Hat-Trick game, which lets you earn free prizes by collecting energy. Using Fishland, choose Temu's items you like, which acts as your free prizes. Continue feeding virtual fish to pay off the cost of these free gifts. Refer and Earn. Spin a wheel and refer friends to earn credit and unlock a free gift. Also, you can visit different websites where you're gonna get coupon code for Temu. And when you check out, you can use those coupon code and get the discount in your order. Likewise, you can join Temu affiliate programs. It gives you money each time someone signs up with a referral link. You may also make commissions off items bought using a referral code. Well, this way you can easily get free gifts on Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.